Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going over why you guys should start reselling right now, why it's the perfect time, and there's some good opportunities out there and what you can make money on actually in streetwear and shoes, and I'm really going to show you guys a little bit of how to do that, but more I'm just going to discuss the reasons and why you should. So this video should hopefully just be motivation for you guys to start reselling again, or at least, you know, just maybe start thinking about it, look into it, and that's the reason for this video. And I'll go over how to in a bit. I'll link some videos more of like how to resell, because this video, again, this isn't like a complete how to like resell guide video. I will have some videos in the description for it, but this video is just for the purpose of showing you guys why now is a really good time to resell. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, I definitely can do this, so feel free to go ahead and subscribe and like below. Just trying to do over 100 likes if you guys want more resale videos, and I'll definitely do that for you all. If you also want to, you can also check out my Instagrams down below in the description. But that's pretty much all I gotta say. I'm Tristan, and let's pretty much get straight into this video on why you guys should resell right now. This video is also sponsored by Steady Soul, and I just want to mention that this is also basically a sneaker group chat, another Discord group chat that I want to mention. And basically they provide you with release info, news, leaks, drop list, all that stuff, and exclusive information for sneaker reselling. And they also have really good sneaker giveaways. Like they were giving away, I'm not going to pop up a picture of it, but they were giving away a pair of Travis Scott like Air Force with the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. I think that's pretty rare and pretty sick that they were doing that. That's pretty cool. But they really help you out with learning how to resell, especially as a beginner. They help you secure these new releases, and they really can help you cook. So if you want to cook, you guys can go check out Steady Soul in the description. Just go check that out down below. I'd appreciate it if y'all would do that. But yeah, you know, let's continue going on to the video. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so one reason to start reselling right now, a really good one, is we're on quarantine. Like, you have to think about it. There's plenty of time, so you don't have to be lazy. It's a really good time to look into actually the sneakers that still are releasing online, and like the Supreme drops that are releasing online. It's still a really good time to look into all of that. As you're pretty much not doing anything else. And you may think that people aren't spending money because of the coronavirus, and it is true. There is a lot of people saving money, but it doesn't mean that there's still not a lot of people spending money on the sneaker releases that you can actually resell. I've been making fine profit reselling sneakers still throughout this kind of coronavirus period, so you don't have to worry. This is still something that you guys can do with reselling to make money, as there's still people buying sneakers, so you don't have to worry about that. So the first reason I really wanted to go over, don't be lazy and don't worry. People are still buying sneakers, and it's still a really good time to look into all that. So if you guys want to do that, I thought I should just mention that first reason, and you know, my kind of one of my favorite ones. Alright, the next thing I want to mention, just because of coronavirus, I mean, brands are going to close their stores, it's true, but that doesn't mean they're going to stop releasing stuff. So it's still a really good time to resell. I mean, it is going to be harder to get stuff online because stock's still going to be limited, but everybody's going to be now shopping online. But if you're still experienced, then you should have a higher chance of getting it than other people. So basically what I'm saying with it, like my whole point with that is the hype's not going to die, so money is still involved in the resale game. I don't think that kind of be going to crash and like all that. Like, I think this situation will get handled and all that. So, you know, I believe in all that. We just countered it a little late, I think. But basically, looking at everything, I don't know why I keep messing up what I'm saying. I still think there's money in like the whole resale game. So definitely still copping sneakers. Like, there's money here. It's not going to die. The hype is real. It's still there. And yeah, that's my second point. You can still make money. Another point I want to make is that there's a lot of people online. So there's a lot of online traffic, so you can get a lot of attention on like if you made a resale page and you started selling clothes and sneakers that you get from new releases. So it's a really good time to, you know, build a resale page. So if you're trying to do that, if you're really trying to start up that, it's a good time to start using hashtags, follow people in your area that also like reselling. If there is any pages like that, then you should follow them if there's any in your area. So, you know, I just thought that's another tip I should mention. There are so many people online right now still. I mean, the internet is pretty popular. Coronavirus is a good time for YouTubers. You can look it up like it literally is. So, you know, that's something interesting. But yeah, basically take advantage of that. You can make an account right now and it'll probably do better. So if you want to look into that, do it. Another great thing about reselling is that you can start with like $100 to $250. $250 is enough to get you a single pair of Yeezys, unless I think it's a pair of 700s. I think I think those are more, or no, those aren't as expensive. So you can, with $250, you can still get a lot of pair of sneakers that are releasing. With $100, you can at least start out with reselling some Supreme stickers or tees, basic things like that. So with $100 to $250, you can basically start out reselling, start out a business, and start profiting off basically that little amount of money that you have. I mean, that's not really necessarily a little amount of money, you know, just off that amount right there, you can start making more dough. Pretty easy like that. So once you resell, make an account and all that, you can make more money and stuff. Now, I did say I was gonna drop a few tips on how to actually start reselling, but I'm actually gonna guide you guys really to the description. You wanna go to the description and check out those videos. I have some videos right there on how to actually resell, but I will drop a couple quick tip reminders here in a second, but they're pretty much just going to restate what I say in the videos, so go check out those videos in the description if you want to see some good resale content. But let's really get into some tips, and then we'll roll the outro after that, but let's get started. So 4 tips I actually have. First one, start with Supreme stuff. It's a really basic way to actually start out reselling, but Supreme, you can start out with little profits and build up your money that way. And you know, it's easier to actually purchase Supreme than other stuff. You know, you kind of see it sell out kind of like in front of your face like that, and you can kind of get an easy way to start up reselling with like Chrome autofill. You can actually make money that way, and you know, that's a really fast way to cop. So first little tip right there, start with Supreme for sure. Second, sneaker drops, sneaker brick links. Basically, sneaker brick links are sneakers that actually aren't meant to even resell, but basically it's sneakers that you get for discounts. So it's like getting a pair of Air Forces for $40 and then reselling it to $90 because that's what they go for. They go for that retail price, but you got it for $40, so you made money. Basically, there's different group chats like 300 Chefs that actually allow you to do that. That's a really good way to start out reselling. And then sneaker drops like Yeezys, dropping on Yeezy Supply and the Adidas websites. You know, you wait on there, get pairs. So some other stuff like that that I think is pretty cool. You know, I got someone to actually go get me a pair of the Yeezy 350s that dropped today. I can't even remember the name. I think it was like the Yeezy 350 linens. I got someone to get me a pair of those to resell. So something cool like that. So that's another way to start out reselling. I resell stuff like that all the time. So another tip I have is, you know, getting people to buy stuff for you in sneaker drops, or getting someone to give you sneaker brick links so you can buy sneaker bricks for the low, and then actually start reselling and making money that way. You can actually get pretty rich off that one. And when talking about people copping sneakers for you, like someone bought sneakers for me, that's someone running slots for you. Usually you have to pay that person, but that's something pretty cool. So you can find slots in group chats like 300 Chefs also, and just some people will do them for you. So make sure the person's legit. Make sure you know them though, because you don't want to lose some money and be paying somebody and, you know, just get ripped off. That's no good. And you can also resell, start reselling by used goods. I'm not going to get too into detail on that. You can go on like Grailed or different places like that to start reselling used goods. But that's pretty much all my tips I gotta say. Shout out Steady Soul for sponsoring this video also, but that's why you guys should start reselling right now. And a few tips, go check out those how-to reselling videos if you want to in the description, if you want to actually start reselling and all that. But that's all I gotta say for this video. Let's roll that outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like on this video. I really do appreciate the support you guys have been showing lately. Of course, we're pretty close to 27,000 subscribers, which is crazy to me, so thank you guys for that. I really do appreciate it. And another thing that I want to say is you guys can also go check out my Instagrams down below in the description. I'd appreciate a follow on either or both of those. That'd be dope. But yeah, you know, we've been working hard on the channel lately, and I appreciate you guys just showing constant support on it. I have another video tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be like a Supreme prediction or something, but if the drop list maybe comes out or doesn't, we may get some leaks. If we get some leaks, we'll do a video on that. There's a lot in store that we could do tomorrow, so expect a video there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. I'm Tristan, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Peace.